Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now it's been snowing so much, so I'm just trying to make my back keeping up longer. I'm just out before work today and was pushing snow and a bad pain in my back again. So now I'm just trying this snowblower, I call it, battery powered electric shovel, we also some call it, from Meec, one company called Jula. It's a Swedish company, also in Norway, like Bildilla and a lot of others. So now I'm just trying to charge it up and put it together, and let's see. Here is the part to pick up the snow and throw it out, supposed to. The handle, some other parts, so we just have to put together. Here should be a charger. This is some battery. I come with one battery. So the first thing to do is just put it on charge. There. Then it stands on charging. Just leave it like that. Then I can put together the rest. There. Then there. This is locking in. There. Now it's locked in. It's supposed to help throwing the snow. I just have to leave it there to the battery charge. Yeah, now I'm just leaving it here so we can stand waiting for the battery to charge up. So I have to see how good this is working. Hopefully it's working good. I think someone said it should take around 50 minutes to charge up the battery, so I have to see. So I come back when it's start to be able to go out and start trying it, because it's a lot of snow that should have been pushed away. Then just let's try. was out testing the snowblower, the small one. Meec 18 volts. And you can say I killed off the battery quite fast. I used 2 batteries on the outside the house in the evening, and now I'm just trying to push away some snow on some terraces and things like this. Also see I have to move around some car later, so maybe I should push away some snow in front of that. But this small machine was perfect for a lot of things. I have a lot, many cars and things standing around, and there's very little space in between. With this machine I can come in there and fix things without being worried about touching them with a big snowblower and things. So now I just take it up behind the house here and push off the terrace. It's blowing a lot, so decided to try to start. Let's see, now the snow is yeah, actually it's working okay. Now I have to take these terraces upside by the house. As I see, I can use it for a lot of small things that I've been pushing around by hand. And this I can do by this. So actually it's working for more things than I was thinking. So 1400, almost 1500 Norwegian kroners. Yeah, for me it's worth it, just to be able to save my back from I don't have to throw the snow up. So I'll just go over here and see how much I can fix before the battery die again, because it's using a lot of power. My verdict on this small part. Yes, it's small. Yes, it uses batteries, and yes, I have to. This is the 3rd battery I have to use. That's kind of a minus, but it's also a plus. That is small. I can just take it with me in, put it in a bathroom, and get the ice to melt off, and put it away in a cabinet in the hallway. Don't take more space. You can charge the battery. Next time it starts snowing, and just take it out. If I need to push away between the cars here, I can just do it. It's no problem. I don't have to be afraid. It's plastic on the sides. It's no big machine that's going to cut up something. Yeah, actually, I like it. I really like it. It was nice. It's not cheap. You can get it with an ordinary wire. A lot less pricey. Almost half the price, not half the price, but almost. But then I have to put on wires, problem with that, and all kinds of shit. No, just take off out here. It's taking off. The bridge to go up to the 2nd floor there. Everything outside by the cars, in between the cars when I need to go and move the cars here. I can just use it to open where I need to open without being afraid or anything. So yes, I can recommend it. This was working better than I was afraid of. Today in the snow I get a little more wet, so it's gone together, but it's working fine today too. So yeah, this product was okay, absolutely okay. This was, for me, it was worth the money. I don't have the pain in my back. I just found out my arms are not as strong as I was hoping, so my arms are paining a little, but that is a small price to pay compared to if I had to push away all this snow by hand and ruin my back again. So please come back to my channel, and please go by the video about I'm planning a garage. Maybe some guys have some advice for things I ask about there, so please do that. Yeah, and I'm hoping to be able to get some of the cars that's standing outside into the garage, so I can start working on some of them. Also waiting for some part for the Land Cruiser and things. So yeah, please come back, please subscribe to the channel, please put comments. Thank you.